guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maisha here. Today we're going to learn about 4 tags: subtag, subtag, I-tag and mark tag. Let me write these tags here so that you can see. Let's comment first. Subtag, subtag and mark tag and I-tag. Okay, so these are the 4 tags today we're going to learn about. This is a paragraph I've written. I write random paragraphs, guys. These are not taken from anywhere. I write these paragraphs for explaining these tags. So let's see. I am a university student. My major is chemistry. I am on my 2nd semester. It's still not too late to change my major. It's still not too late to change my major. I'm really bad at chemistry. I don't know what H2O means. I'm working on my project and my friend Christy came. She started talking about her terrible day and she saw I was not listening. So she got angry and said, "You're not listening to me." So then I stopped and said, "Okay, I'm all ears now." So you see in these 2 paragraphs, I'm going to use the subtag, mark tag and I-tag. Here, subtags are used for something that you use in, for example, H2O, where 2 is a little below normal text level. So let's use subtag here and see what it looks like. As you can see, H2 now is a little below normal text level and it's a little smaller. So subs are used for these kinds of texts where you want the text to be a little below. So for these kinds of texts you use SUB, subtag. And let's use subtag now. Subtags are used for something like, for example, exponents. Like 2 to the power 4. For the power, you use subtag. For example, here's 2nd semester, where 2nd is not supposed to be beside like here. Normally, you don't write 2nd like this. You write 2nd as in, if you want to write it like that, you write sub. For this kind of text, you use sub. Let's see what it looks like. See, now the ND is above normal text level. For these kinds of things, for mathematics or these kinds of numbers, you use subtag. Now we're going to use mark tag. Mark tags are used to mark your content. For example, when we read normal textbooks, we use color pens to mark something, right? The same way, if you want to mark something on your content in your website, you use the mark tag. Now it's up to you for what you want to mark. Here I'm going to mark the word chemistry. So I'm going to use the mark tag here. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what mark tag looks. See, it has marked the word chemistry into yellow. It's like marking your text. It's very simple. You'll remember these tags when you use them. Just remember these tags when you're writing your content. It's good practice to use these tags for the reason they're made. Okay, so now the last tag we're going to use is I. This I tag basically gives italic style to your text, but this tag is used for something, for words or sentences or a phrase that you want to make it look a little different. If you want something in your content to look a little different from other content, other texts, then you use this I tag. For example, here he said, so I stopped and said, "Okay, I'm all ears. I'm all ears now." I forgot this. So I am all ears is a phrase. In this context, in this content, I want to use I phrase. I want this phrase to look a little different from others since it's a phrase. So I want it to look a little different. So let's save and see what it looks like. See, it's now in italic. From all the other contexts, it looks a little different. So you can use itag for these kind of purposes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Facebook and subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like my teaching style. Also subscribe if you like what I'm teaching and how I'm teaching. Also share with your friends who are keen in learning HTML and CSS or who are interested in web development. I'll be uploading more videos more frequently, so subscribe, guys. Thank you.